Question 1. What is the primary purpose of SAP Cloud for Customer C4C? A. To manage sales and customer service processes. B. To manage supply chain operations. C. To manage financial transactions. D. To manage human resources. Correct answer A. Question 2. Which of the following is a key feature of SAP C4C? A. Integration with SAP ERP. B. Integration with SAP CRM. C. Integration with SAP HANA. D. All of the above. Correct answer D. Question 3. What does SAP C4C use for reporting? A. SAP Business Objects. B. SAP Analytics Cloud. C. SAP C4C Embedded Analytics. D. SAP Crystal Reports. Correct answer C. Question 4. Which work center in SAP C4C is used for managing sales activities? A. Sales Work Center. B. Service Work Center. C. Marketing Work Center. D. Customer Work Center. Correct answer A. Question 5. What is the role of business roles in SAP C4C? A. To manage user access. B. To manage data integration. C. To manage sales processes. D. To manage customer interactions. Correct answer A. Question 6. How does SAP C4C support mobile access? A. Through a web-based interface. B. Through a mobile app. C. Through both web and mobile app. D. Not supported. Correct answer C. Question 7. What is the purpose of fine-tuning in SAP C4C? A. To customize the user interface. B. To configure business processes. C. To manage data migration. D. To integrate with other SAP systems. Correct answer B. Question 8. Which of the following is not a communication channel in SAP C4C? A. Email. B. Phone. C. Social media. D. Fax. Correct answer D. Question 9. What is used for data migration in SAP C4C? A. SAP Data Services. B. SAP Cloud Platform Integration. C. SAP C4C Data Migration Tool. D. SAP HANA Data Migration. Correct answer. C. Question 10. How does SAP C4C support personalization? A. Through user profiles. B. Through business roles. C. Through customization options. D. All of the above. Correct answer. D. Question 11. What is the purpose of service categories in SAP C4C? A. To categorize sales activities. B. To categorize customer interactions. C. To categorize service requests. D. To categorize marketing campaigns. Correct answer. C. Question 12. Which of the following is a type of service level in SAP C4C? A. Priority-based. B. Time-based. C. Both priority and time-based. D. None of the above. Correct answer. C. Question 13. What is the role of the Sales Work Center in SAP C4C? A. To manage customer service requests. B. To manage sales orders and quotations. C. To manage marketing campaigns. D. To manage customer interactions. Correct answer. B. Question 14. How does SAP C4C support integration with Microsoft Outlook? A. Through SAP Cloud Platform integration. B. Through SAP C4C Outlook integration. C. Through Microsoft Exchange. D. Not supported. Correct answer. B. Question 15. What is the purpose of lead management in SAP C4C? A. To manage sales opportunities. B. To manage customer interactions. C. To manage potential sales leads. D. To manage marketing campaigns. Correct answer. C. Question 16. Which of the following is not a feature of SAP C4C? A. Salesforce automation. B. Customer service management. C. Supply chain management. D. Marketing automation. Correct answer. C. Question 17. What is the role of the Service Work Center in SAP C4C? A. To manage sales activities. B. To manage customer service requests. C. To manage marketing campaigns. D. To manage customer interactions. Correct answer. B. Question 18. How does SAP C4C support data analytics? A. Through SAP Analytics Cloud. B. Through SAP C4C Embedded Analytics. C. Through SAP Business Objects. D. All of the above. Correct answer. D. Question 19. What is the purpose of opportunity management in SAP C4C? A. To manage potential sales leads. B. To manage sales orders and quotations. C. To manage sales opportunities. D. To manage customer interactions. Correct answer. C. Question 20. Which of the following is a type of user in SAP C4C? A. Business user. B. Technical user. C. Sales user. D. All of the above. Correct answer. D. Question 21. What is the role of business roles in managing user access in SAP C4C? A. To assign permissions. B. To manage data integration. C. To configure business processes. D. To manage customer interactions. Correct answer. A. Question 22. How does SAP C4C support integration with SAP ERP? A. Through SAP Cloud Platform integration. B. Through SAP C4C ERP integration. C. Through SAP PI. D. Not supported. Correct answer. A. Question 23. What is the purpose of quotation management in SAP C4C? A. To manage sales orders. B. To manage customer interactions. C. To manage sales quotations. D. To manage marketing campaigns. Correct answer. C. Question 24. Which of the following is a feature of SAP C4C? A. Integration with SAP CRM. B. Integration with SAP HANA. C. Integration with SAP ERP. D. All of the above. Correct answer. D. Question 25. What is the role of the Marketing Work Center in SAP C4C? A. To manage sales activities. B. To manage customer service requests. C. To manage marketing campaigns. D. To manage customer interactions. Correct answer. C. Question 26. How does SAP C4C support social media integration? A. Through SAP Cloud Platform integration. B. Through SAP C4C social media integration. C. Through SAP social media analytics. D. Not supported. Correct answer. B. Question 27. What is the purpose of sales order management in SAP C4C? A. To manage customer interactions. B. To manage sales orders and quotations. C. To manage marketing campaigns. D. To manage customer service requests. Correct answer B. Question 28. Which of the following is not a type of service request in SAP C4C? A. Incident. B. Service request. C. Sales order. D. Quotation. Correct answer C. Question 29. What is the role of the Customer Work Center in SAP C4C? A. To manage sales activities. B. To manage customer service requests. C. To manage customer interactions. D. To manage marketing campaigns. Correct answer C. Question 30. How does SAP C4C support user management? A. Through business roles. B. Through user profiles. C. Through customization options. D. All of the above. Correct answer D.